is sponsored by Malta Guinness. Malta Guinness, feel the goodness. Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Drew, your hostess with the mostest, and I'm back again with yet another episode of Moments, baby. Today we're doing something completely different as per usual, so you already know, make sure you stick and stay, don't go anywhere. Alright guys, so I'm here with Mr. KB.
You got it.
And he's gonna show me where I'm gonna be staying tonight. I mean, I'm so excited. This place is called The Float.
You got it.
Now, I'm guessing this is like the main attraction of The Float, right? Well, one of them.
Oh, yeah,
okay?
one of them, yeah.
It is one of them. And so it is the house or the hotel or the room on the actual lake. Guys, we're gonna sleep on the water. So, Mr. KB,
Yes.
tell us a little bit about this room that I'm gonna stay in.
Well, Drew, first of all, I need to let you know I'm so glad to have you here.
Aww.
Welcome to the Swan. We're just part of the float, okay?
Oh, the Swan, part of
Yes.
the float. Why did you name it the Swan?
Well, I think I had something in mind, something similar to a floating structure. And, you know, I love swans. I
And
think
they just
they're pretty
glide,
elegant, you know what I'm saying?
very
You got it.
elegant like me,
Yeah,
right?
You got it. So I could be much more happier than to have you here.
Oh, I love this. Okay, so guys, Drew is going to be staying at the Swan tonight. Let's have a look at what's inside.
Sure. So this is going to be your bedroom.
Wow! Oh my goodness!
Enjoy the view.
Look at this. I can see the view of literally, I'm legit, guys, on the water. Look outside. What a peaceful view to wake up to every single morning. I love that. And then what? I have my own little fridge.
Drinks over here.
Oh, let me chill my Malta Guinness.
Yeah, there you
oh,
go.
and you even gave complimentary drinks as well.
Exactly.
You guys are too kind.
Oh yeah. You can enjoy DSTV.
DSTV,
Yes.
aircon, fan,
Comes with the Wi-Fi as well.
comfy bed. I love this. I love it, guys. Okay. Oh, and look at that. A mirror for when I step out and need to look dressed, looking good for breakfast. Oh, you guys know how much I love a mirror. Who's the fairest of them all? It's Drew, baby. Oh, thank you.
Breakfast. I'll be showing where you'll be having breakfast in a minute.
Let's
You're
go.
gonna have breakfast over breakfast. So you're gonna have breakfast over sunrise.
So with the sunrise.
Exactly.
He's really selling this place.
And then
Ooh.
over sunset.
Ah, okay. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh, I'm gonna have a best time here.
So it's gonna be set up for breakfast.
So you guys come and set breakfast up for us?
Yeah, it's gonna be totally different.
I can't wait for the girls to come.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at
Enjoy the
this.
view. Watch your step here.
Is the water really deep here?
Yeah, it's about 15 feet.
Oh, wow. Okay, make sure you don't keep your phones. I'm an alright
Not
swimmer.
that you're gonna go in. We have a special place for swimming.
Okay, I'm gonna go see that bit later.
yeah.
But honestly, guys, the view. I just love it. Look, the lake. Just peaceful. Peaceful. You wake up and just hear the peace. You see the view. You must have the best time here.
I do.
Honestly.
I barely live here. Yeah. Nowhere else to go.
Look at that.
So the sun sets that way, and it has just this very beautiful, very pristine, and
Oh, it's so
enjoy it.
tranquil
Yeah.
and relaxing. So you guys will bring dinner to me?
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Oh, I really am the queen, aren't I?
We got a fine dining chef. You just tell him what you want.
Yeah.
We'll make it happen.
And he'll make it happen.
Oh,
Okay. All right. Let's see what else is in my little house for today.
Every now and then, you're going to see some fishermen going by with some canoe. You know, you could
Every morning they go.
every once in a while.
And would they ever bring like the live fish for us to maybe come and cook to eat
You
fresh
got
fish?
to make it happen.
Come on.
You got to make it happen.
I like that. I'm sure I can.
Drew, let me show you a kitchenette that you could wake up at night and pop some popcorn.
Oh,
In
nice.
case you feel like it. It has all the utensils in it.
Everything.
It has plates.
Microwave kettle plates as well.
Yeah, plates,
You guys are so
glasses.
thoughtful.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, me and the girls, we're gonna have some fun, you know, put some bean bags or sit on the floor in the lounge area, watch a movie, and we're gonna catch up, guys. Ooh.
You guys will love it.
I'm excited. So for now, let's see what else this beautiful place has got for us.
Let's go check it out.
inspired the name? Like, this is such a unique idea. Nobody has this. You're the first in Ghana?
Yes.
I feel so special. I'm going to tap into his, like, you know, his anointing, his gift. Okay, so we've got the float. Is it because the water is floating on water, or how did you come up with the idea?
Yeah, so
concept?
basically, we're running out of space on land, so we're looking for different other spaces.
Yes.
And then, the water has a lot of space on it, obviously, and it's pretty level. It doesn't get.
Have you ever swam in there before?
I do all the time.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Let's go check out the pool that you're talking us about. Well, not the pool, the swimming area.
Yes, swimming area.
Okay.
So what I have is a platform under the water.
A platform?
But it's a mesh, so you get to stand on the mesh, which is about 4 to 5 feet deep.
So it's not that deep
It's
then?
not that deep, but the real depth underneath the platform is about an additional 11 feet.
Hey!
So you'll be suspended in the water. How about that?
Imagine that, guys, high up in the water. Oh, this is so cool.
So this is a sitting area. You could just sit out here and relax whilst you go in and out of the water.
And then you just get in from here.
Just going down there and then just swim, do some laps.
Oh, okay, so it's all this space?
Oh, it's all this space. You could either swim here or you could swim on this side.
On this side as well?
It has a mesh all under the water.
4 feet?
4 to 5 feet deep, yeah.
Okay, so it's not that deep, guys. Maybe up to my neck.
You'll be all right.
That'll be cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Drinks over here. We have a mini bar, outdoor bar.
Yes.
So you can come here and have some drinks.
Oh my gosh.
Go back in and take a dip.
The girls are gonna have too much fun.
Yeah.
You know, you the plug. He's the plug. I'm the plug, but he's the connect. You're the main man. We're coming. All right. Okay, boat rides, beautiful sleeping areas, swimming pools. Now we got a boat ride, you said.
Boat ride, yeah.
So where does it go?
Well, it just goes out 15 minutes and back in another 15 minutes.
Okay. Are you gonna join me then?
Yeah, we could do that.
Let's go have a chat.
Yeah,
let's have a chat. Let's find out about the mastermind on the boat, guys.
All right, first officer, this is your captain speaking. Let's get aboard. That is the boat.
What?
All built here by us.
Guys, this is the boat. I was not expecting this at all.
Conceptual idea.
You guys built
built
this?
over here, yeah.
You built it yourselves?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
We thought it was much a better move to make than
It is.
importing a boat. We should build it ourselves. So we built one ourselves.
Wow, guys,
We
they
love
built
it
a
so
boat.
much.
I can't believe this. And it literally is part of the idea. Float.
Exactly, float.
We're gonna float on the water.
Yeah. So we keep all the money in Ghana. We didn't buy anything.
Come on. Okay, let's go. So you said this place holds about 30 people?
Yeah, this boat can take about 30 people standing.
30 people on this boat?
Yeah.
Oh.
So welcome aboard, everybody.
Thank you.
This is your
you.
captain speaking.
Captain has said all aboard. Let's go.
Yeah.
So tell me, I mean, Mr. KB, were you like born and raised in Ghana or born here and then you went away for a bit?
Exactly. And I came back.
Just like me,
yeah,
diaspora.
You got it, and welcome back.
Thank you. It's amazing to be back home. So why do you love Ghana so much?
It's just a very peaceful country, you know. It's just laid back, natural, pristine, beautiful, wonderful people.
Yeah.
I think it's the people. The people are just
the people make Ghana amazing.
Some very good people here.
Yes, friendly, and
you know.
the food is good.
Oh man, not to mention. It's spicy, it's good, it wakes you up.
It does. But I'm guessing, you know, when you were like in the States, you didn't really get to have this many views at your...
No.
Yeah.
No. In the States, that was mainly, as you know, it was just very super rich people. But over here, Yeah, if you work hard, you could have it.
If you work hard, you can enjoy life.
Exactly.
You see, guys,
Exactly.
if you work hard, you can enjoy life properly.
Yeah.
Life's about working and enjoying.
Exactly. Working
You know,
smart. Yeah.
work smart. Oh, I like that. Well, you clearly were working smart with this.
Thank you.
So how long's the float been around?
I'll say commercially about 4 years, 3 years, 4 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You've been really keeping it under the radar.
Oh yeah.
A secret.
Exactly.
Oh my God, this guy is going to be my best friend, guys.
Exactly. You only
Because I need to know all of his secrets. I need to know all of your secrets. So usually, I mean, the whole space, what else do you have? You have the Swan, but you have other rooms as well?
Yes, we have 8 standard rooms, and then the Swan is like the deluxe room. People just love it.
And
just the way it is.
Just the way it is.
Yeah.
And I guess, you know, it's just an amazing time to be just come and chill. Be at one with nature.
That's right.
I love that. Being at one with nature. Beautiful. The float. So what else have you got coming up soon? Like, I'm guessing you need to give us some exclusives. What can we expect from the float in maybe the next, like, you know, 3 years, 4 years, 5?
So in the next year or two, you should expect more floating houses.
Okay.
More of the Swan.
Well, I guess the water is available, right?
It's just huge surface area, and it's level. That's what I love about
Oh,
it. Just have to develop what it takes to float,
yes.
to be buoyant.
But was it hard being able to make a house to stay? You probably had to get like some deep divers to like build at the bottom of the water.
I was down there myself. So.
No way! You're a good swimmer?
Oh yes, for sure.
Oh,
You
wow.
want to see some skills?
I want to see some skills.
How about we jump in? Okay, well, wait. I'll let you
Imagine.
change first.
Being away from Accra with all the like hustle, bustle and noise is really amazing just coming out here.
Yes.
Just looking at the landscapes. I mean, you guys know how much Drew loves the blues and the greens. The lake isn't exactly blue, but the greens, the landscape, so much tranquility. And it stops you from being a very like person because the water is just, the water calms you down. The water tells you, the water commands your movement.
And it's the best absorber of stress.
It
Takes it all away.
look at that.
Oh,
This is
great.
probably going to be like my second home.
Let it be. And this boat is called the Nostalgia, MV Nostalgia.
Okay, how did you
coming
get
back?
the name?
Well, it's just that nostalgic feeling it gives all my friends, you know.
Oh, nostalgia of feeling of Ghana or?
Yeah, of just being at the float.
I love that.
Yeah, makes you always want to come back.
Well, yes, I'm always going to be back here. And like you said, you have parties and you even got a bar. I should start, you know, drinking my Malta Guinness and we're going to go and relax and enjoy the views. All right, so where we are now?
So Drew, okay, so after all the activities, this is where you want to come and just lounge, have some drinks,
Yeah.
have some food probably.
That would be good.
And just watch other people.
Just enjoying
Just
the
enjoy
fishermen that
themselves.
go up and down.
Yeah, there's elevators so you can see far away, you know.
Nice. Seats about how many people?
It's just about 150 people.
Oh, no. Oh,
Yeah.
nice. I mean, this could be a real spot to have parties, you
Done
know.
it before, we could do it again.
For real? Hey, she's giving me ideas. She's giving me ideas. Well, I see there's what? Beach volley and archery.
Yeah, so, you know, you can stay up here and just watch some beach volley or beach soccer. And we got archery over there.
Oh,
Or you
nice.
can watch others do kayaking,
Yeah.
riding jet skis,
So many activities, guys.
swimming, fishing.
We are about to have a lit time. So I'm just gonna sit down, chill, wait for my girls to come. And yeah, Miss KB, you've been an amazing tour guide.
It's been great.
I know that I'm gonna have a great time here. So you guys have to wait for part 2 when me and the girls are enjoying. But right now we're watching me chill and have my peace and relaxation before the real party starts. Moments is sponsored by Malta Guinness. Malta Guinness, feel the goodness.